Hi, I'm Jenna with New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from across the country. Today, we're in Apex, North Carolina with Pulte Homes, looking at the Woodbury community, touring the Continental floor plan. Take it away.
Hi, welcome to Woodbury. We'd like to show you our Continental model.
So we're very excited to have you here in our Continental model today at Woodbury. We are in one of the new premier neighborhoods that Pulte has in the Apex area here in North Carolina. Really excited. Big community, 400 home sites. We're going to have a lot of amenities. We'll talk about those in just a minute, but a lot of different floor plans. We offer something for all price points, really. So we have townhomes. We have a lot of ranches that offer really nice, low maintenance lifestyle. Yard work's taken care of. And then several different two-story plans that kind of fit any price point and any lifestyle needs you may need in your new home. Now, today we're bringing you into the Continental. This is actually one of our top selling plans here. It's nice. It can go up to 3,160 square feet as you see it here, and it's going to be a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. But a lot of people do actually like this plan because where we do have a lot of open floor plans now, this is one plan that does feature a formal dining room here off the foyer. So it's great, it's bright. A lot of people still like to have that special area where they can have holiday dinners, family dinners, anything like that. And then still have the informal eating area off the kitchen. So if you come in here, kind of bring you into the main living area of the home, and then Chad's gonna take it away.
We can start right here. Speaking of family, this is just a really great idea that Pulte's been doing. It's called the Pulte Planning Center, and it's just a neat open air office. It's a place that children can do homework, that parents can have the family computer that's out in full view of everybody. Recipe station where you can drop all your items off when you come in the door and enter through the owner's entry in the mudroom area. We've just received lots of great feedback for this spot, and it seems to be really a useful area in the home. And that leads into this open plan. And as far as what Dorothy was mentioning about having families and large gatherings in a home like this, it's easy. There's so much space, lots of light, really nice colors and decor in here as well. And the colors you see are all available in our design center if you are building a home with us.
Yeah, that's something that Woodbury features that's really neat is we do have our design center here on site with us. And part of building with us here at Woodbury is you would get to meet with our designer and kind of have that personalized time where you would get to pick all the options for your home, really get to design it. So in our model, we do feature a lot of the new options we have. So a lot of people have actually seen the floor in here and loved it. It's the new vinyl planking, enhanced vinyl planking that's been very popular. Lots of options as far as upgrading the cabinets, granite, lots you can pick from. Even new options as far as fireplaces and everything, because over here we feature a new option for a tiled fireplace, which has been quite a popular option here in this neighborhood.
Yeah, this fireplace is definitely received lots of compliments. And the community itself, just to break away from the home for a moment, the community's, Dorothy mentioned the amenities. It's going to be wonderful. We're going to have a 3,400 square foot clubhouse. We've got dog parks, fishing ponds, walking trails, exercise areas outside, a gym in the clubhouse, wonderful swimming pool, pickleball court, basketball court. It's just hard to remember everything, but bocce ball park, just to give you an example. There's potentially a community garden. There's going to be a lot of neat features that we have in the neighborhood. But back to the home, let's show you the guest bedroom downstairs, which definitely something that people have requested. Makes life a lot more convenient. Having family visit, it's nice to have a bedroom on the first floor with a full bath, especially in a home like this where you may have an expanding family. And we know visitors come more often when there's expanding families.
upstairs in our Continental model. Now, something that a lot of our two-story plans do feature here in this neighborhood is going to be a loft space. So it's been a very popular option. A lot of people do come in and request a floor plan with such a space because great informal area. As you can see, we kind of have it set up as a little area. Kids can come up, have their own, watch a movie, play, maybe sit down on a table, do some homework. So it's been very popular. And then if you come this way, something that we really love on this home is the owner's suite. It's kind of a retreat in itself.
This owner's suite, we're featuring our optional sitting room. And for some folks, the option is very useful. They like to use this space as an owner's retreat, literally, just a place that parents can get a little bit of peace and quiet in the morning or the evening. Some use it as an office. Others may use it as an exercise area. If none of those items are important, then to you, then this room can be left as storage. And the access is through one of the bedrooms, and there's a nice storage area back here. So there's some options here. Also, the tray ceiling, people seem to love the tray ceilings. This room is spacious. You will not feel crowded in the Continental. And in through the bathroom, we offer 2 closets, so his and hers. In this bathroom, we're featuring our larger shower with the tub. Notice the nice light in this home. Got one other thing to show you here in the laundry room. This is a feature that we offer, which is a smart home option for our homes. And it's a central wiring hub. Every cable outlet and data outlet have a single run from this location. Our smart home option features wireless access points in the home on both floors. It comes with Alexa. You'd get wireless access for your front door, garage door, and thermostats, and even a white glove service. They come in and help you set everything up. And some of the neat features here we like to highlight in this model, we offer the chase pipes that run from the attic down through the home, as well as to the exterior. So in a situation where somebody may want a fiber run directly into their smart panel, that's available here.
And in here we have a secondary bedroom. Now, a lot of people do like this plan again because neat feature, you have a lot of different options as far as how you can kind of configure the upstairs. Now, something that a lot of people have opted to do in this one is going to be the Jack and Jill bathrooms. That way, if you have a couple of kids that are getting ready in the morning, the nice thing is they don't have to fight over a sink area. They kind of have their own private areas. And the rooms connect through there. And then something else I did want to point out, as we have been walking through this home, we've kind of tried to show what we do as Pulte, the builder, that sets us apart from other builders, techniques we do that are industry leading. So you'll see we have little plaques that kind of discuss materials, techniques we use in building our homes. And then you'll see little cutouts, and this one's going to show you the insulation that we use. And so over here, again, we have some more plaques and cutouts to kind of show you techniques, fire foam, what we have.
Protection for plumbing,
Yeah.
with putting the home together is just wonderful. We're glad you came and joined us in the Continental here at Woodbury. This is a really, really neat neighborhood. Dorothy and I have thoroughly enjoyed selling this neighborhood, and you should definitely come down. People are figuring it out. We have sold 17 homes, 12 homes, 11 homes. It's just been month to month. This neighborhood is a place to see. The amenities are fantastic, a wonderful place for families to grow up. Just a lot to do. Great location too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm, absolutely. Great location.
10 minutes from everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
For more about this community, click the link below and stay tuned for more new home showcases.